here, tabletop. Point your toes back. Then on your exhale, slowly lower all the way down. Ayun na, magaling na. Slide your heart forward, cobra, inhale. Exhale down. Rise up, tabletop. And then child's pose. Pero yung child's pose natin, feet hip width apart kasi we're going to move. So I'll show it to you, so you can watch me first. Para pa ano, when you do it, you go at your own pace. At the same time, mas ma-observe nyo yung body nyo, how it feels when you do it. So from here, you keep your hands, shoulders width apart, round. Bring your shoulders way over your wrist, maybe toes up. So huwag tayo mag-drop. So kung paano tayo umangat na your navel, you're pulling your navel in, toes up, exhale, bend, hold, inhale up, exhale back. Maximize your breath. So yung itong buong movement na to, inhale. Toes up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay? Mabilis yung ginawa ko. Gawin niya na mas matagal. Okay? So, child's pose. Arms straight. So on your next inhale, round your upper back. Bring your shoulders way over your wrist muna. Toes up. Exhale, bend your elbows, hold. Inhale, back up. Exhale, back. Nice. So again, rise up, inhale. Exhale, bend, toes up. Nice. Inhale, back up. Exhale, back slowly. Two more. Inhale up. Exhale, bend, toes up, hold. Inhale, back up. Exhale back. Nice. Last one. Rise up, inhale. Exhale, bend. Hold longer. Inhale, rise up. Exhale back. And then rest on your child's pose. This time, you can bring your big toes to touch. Hips down to your heels. Allow your shoulders to your upper arms to relax. And then breathe. Alright, so back to your tabletop. So we're keeping our knees together, hands underneath your shoulders. And then extend your right leg back. And then lift. Point. Inhale here. On your exhale round, bring your knee to your nose, so hunting more. Inhale, extend, lengthen, slow and control. Exhale, knee to your nose, hold. Inhale, extend, lengthen. Last one, exhale, knee to your nose. And then this time, step your right foot forward. So low lunge tayo, arms up. Inhale. Scoop your tailbone under, hips low, chest up. So maybe widen your chest and you can feel the stretch towards the front side of your body. Observe if you're holding any tension, loose the shoulders, breathe. Nice. And then maybe interlace your hands behind your head. Or right at the base of your skull. So parang saddle natin yung head and then maybe bring your gaze up. Now keep this form, reach your arms back up. Nice. Then on your exhale, release both hands inside ng right foot. And then bring your left foot towards the right side of your mat. Sweep your left arm forward and then up. Nice. Right hand down, left arm. And then from here, rise up. We're keeping our arms committed. So this time, your left hand reaches towards the back of your mat. Modified side plank. So left hand down, right arm up, or next to your ear. Palms facing down. Maybe right leg straight. You can stay here, or right leg up. And then hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right foot down, rise up, back again, slowly. Bend your front knee, lean forward. Balik lang tayo. Right hand down, left arm up. Then maybe stay here. Lots of options next. Flip your left palm, grab it behind you, so half time. This is to help you open your shoulders. Kung kaya, right arm under, interlace your fingers behind you. Pero again, you don't have to if it feels a lot for you. Just make sure you're breathing wherever you are. So right hand down, left arm up. And then on your exhale, bring your left hand up on your mat. bring your left foot back in. So half splits tayo. So you bring your right hand outside your right foot. Push tayo sa right heel. Hips back. Right leg straight. Toes up. Navel in. Micro bend. You don't have to keep it really straight. Don't block your knees. Micro bend in the hand. And then try to point your toes towards your face. It will help you a lot. Pag may sense of direction yung katawan. Now re-bend your front knee. Hands down. Tuck your back toe. And then lift. So vinyasa. You can step your right foot back or float. Lean. Exhale down. Slide your heart forward. Cobra. Exhale back. Tuck your toes. Downward facing dog. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Open your mouth. Now release your knees down back to your tabletop. So other side tayo. So set up natin yung strong foundation. So you have to keep your hands underneath your shoulders. Hindi pwede siyang mauuna. Kasi malayo yung shoulder. Hindi siya stable. You have to keep it right underneath your shoulders. Knees together, and then extend your left leg back, and then lift. Point. Inhale here. On your exhale, round, bring your knee to your nose. Hold. Inhale, extend, lengthen. Slow and control. Exhale, knee to your nose. Hold. Inhale, extend, lengthen. Exhale, knee to your nose, and then step your left foot forward. So going back to our low lunge. Take the time to adjust your left foot. Arms up, scoop your tailbone under, lift your chest. Feel the stretch towards the front side. Pero para stable yung legs, you can lean back more. Maging tight sa front foot, squeeze your inner thighs together, and then interlace your fingers behind your head. Lift, lace out, kaya, breathe. Nice. So we're keeping this form, arms up, inhale. On your exhale, release both hands inside your legs. So yung right foot towards the left side of your mat, right arm forward, and then up. Breathe. Nice. So push din tayo dun sa left foot, use your core, rise up to standing, arms to the feet. Then right hand reaches towards the back of your mat, right hand down, left arm up, or next to your ear. And then maybe left leg straight. Maybe lift your left leg up for 5, 4, 3, 1. So left foot down. This time, bend your front knee, arms back there. Warm up. Left hand right arm. Inakot ko talaga eh. So again, you want to stay here. Lift your right palm. Grab it behind you. So half bind. Or yung left arm under. Interlace your fingers behind you. Yeah. Breathe. Nice. Wherever you are, just make sure you're breathing. Now you can slowly release your left hand down, right arm up. And then exhale your right hand back on your mat, right foot back in. Left hand outside your left foot. Inhale here. On your exhale, hips back, left leg straight. Adjust natin yung left heel forward so you don't sink your hips back. You want to adjust your heel forward so you keep your hips in line with your forward. Tapos, maging sa left heel. Goes up, and then release. Now we bend your front knee, hands down, tuck your back toe, and then lift. Step your left foot back. Take a vinyasa or kung pamigna, child's pose. You can skip the vinyasa and go straight to your child's pose. Exhale down, left. Slide your heart forward, inhale for your cobra. And then you bring on your child's pose. Breathe. Allow your hips to get heavy, shoulders relax. Arms relax as well. Rise back to your tabletop. So, konting core. So, we're staying on our tabletop. So, your knees to the bar. Spread your fingers wide. Curl your toes. Tapos lift your knees and reach your glute off your mat. Keep rounding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Nice. Breathe. Inhale. On your exhale, bend your knees, look forward, step or hop, or you can walk towards the front of your mat. So we're keeping our feet hip width apart. Bend your knees if you need to, tap your elbows, drag down. Now you can release your hands down. And then inhale halfway, flat back. So hands to your shins, long spine. Exhale, forward. Move down to your feet, rise up slowly. Reach into your chest as you slowly rise up. And then sweep your arms out, palms together and up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Arms out to your side. Inhale. Exhale, open your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. So we're staying at the front of our mats, and then you keep your feet hip width apart. So we're going to challenge our balance as we transition from one pose to another. So just try to bring awareness on how your breath feels. So shift your weight to your right foot. Pull your left knee to your chest as you reach your arms up. Spread your toes dun sa standing. If you want to bring down towards your toes, so enable to get your spine. Then you lift your hips up, lift. And then you put knee up to flex for pointing. Then from here, figure four position. So cross your left ankle above your ear. Push your left knee open, flex natin yung left foot, and then hips go. The more that you sink your hips down, the more that you're reaching your arms up. So may stretch din sa sides. Now inhale, lift your left knee up back to your chest. And then on your exhale, high lunge. So gracefully step your left foot back. Yung arms natin reaching forward, right? So you keep your balance. Ayun. So pag medyo maiklit, slide your left foot back. Breathe. Inhale. On your exhale, right arm natin reaches back. Nice. Curl your back foot. And then warrior two. So ang gagalaw lang yung back foot. So you swing your left heel flat. Arms to the feet. Keep your gaze forward. Breathe. Shoulders relaxed. Adjust natin yung right foot forward. Yung left toes po pointing sa left side ng room. So from here, right toes pointing forward. Wala kita. Left toes pointing sa left side. And then bring your arms to the knee. Nice. And then side angle. So lean forward on your inhale. Lots of options. Forearm to your thigh or down on your mat. Left arm up. Nice. Breathe. You can flip your left palm, wrap it behind you, so half bind. Yung ginawa natin earlier, pero this time, off your knees. Yeah, rest, pagkaan na. Right arm under, interlace your fingers, breathe. Pero again, this is optional. You don't have to do it if it feels a lot for you today. Right hand down, left arm up. And then rise up, legs straight, arms to the knee. Okay, if you feel listen to your body para hindi natin siya masyadong stress out. We want to relax actually. So, you want to relax on each of the poses. So, triangle, legs straight, knees soft. Reach forward on your inhale as far as you can. Right hand down slowly, left arm up. So, you stack your shoulders. Kung kaya po, yung front leg straight. Pero don't lock. Breathe.